Sony Alpha, a6100, the telephoto trickster for epic captures? Ever felt like your camera is a clumsy co-conspirator, fumbling focus on fleeting faces or freezing frames in low light, leaving you frustrated and fumbling through foggy shots? That blocked burst when subjects slip away, turning candid dreams into cropped regrets. If this mirrorless mishap mirrors your entry-level woes, drop a comment with your funniest focus fail. Ever chased a kiddo only to nail the grass? Let's laugh it off before we lens up with a kit like the Sony Alpha, a6100 with 16 to 50 millimeters and 55 to 210 millimeters. Intensify the itch as elusive exposures ambush evening edits, stress swelling to burnout surge from sorting shaky stacks amid mounting deadlines. Every click a costly compromise on clarity. Envision the eddy of erratic zooms and vanishing vibes, tools that tantalize telephoto but tumble on tracking, heightening hiccups into heartfelt headaches. Imagine snaring that seamless snap, commanding APS-C agility without courting complex calibrations. For hobbyists and hunters of horizons, this flirt with 0.02-second AF and OSS stabilization might just soothe the scramble and summon a sly sparkle. Embrace the Sony Alpha, a6100 with 16 to 50 millimeters and 55 to 210 millimeters lenses, your captivating breakthrough in compact conquest, flaunting a 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMR sensor and Bion's X processor for ISO 51200 prowess that paints nights with nuanced glow. Turbocharged by 425-point fast hybrid AF with real-time eye and animal tracking at 11 frame per second bursts. Perfectly paired with the Power Zoom 16 to 50 millimeters smooth OSS glide from wide vistas to portraits, and the 55 to 210 millimeters telephoto thrust for distant details. Feel the sensory symphony. The featherlight flip of the 180-degree touchscreen for vlog-ready reveals, the reassuring whir of optical zoom steadying handheld horizons, and that intuitive instinct as 4K full-pixel readout flows without binning, igniting the joyful jolt of moments mastered. Mini memo: a weekend wanderer wrestling wildlife whims, locked onto a leaping deer with the 55 to 210 millimeters reach and IAF magic, nailing the shot SNS shake and sparking a social share storm. Lightly controversial? Why splurge on DSLRs when this E-mount entry slays with pro-grade precision at peasant prices? Emotional echo. That thrilled thrum when your kit clicks with your curiosity, no more near misses. Here's a hook. One way the a6100 kit rescued a family snapper. Real-time tracking caught kids' chaos in crystal clear succession. Hang on for the bonus burst mode hack at the end. Comment focus to fetch the secret tip and frame deeper into this focal fantasy. Relish the Sony a6100 kit's radiant rewards, where efficiency evolves into effortless immersion and peak performance, as the 425 AF points and 11 frames per second tracking tame turbulent toddlers or trailblazing treks, delivering roar-rich 24.2 megapixel masterpieces with dynamic range that dances in dusk, while the dual-lens duo, 16 to 50 millimeters versatile vignette and 55 to 210 millimeters compressed canvas, unleash 3 times optical zoom without wobbles thanks to OSS harmony. DP review analysts dubbed it a powerful autofocus and touchscreen upgrade for low-cost mirrorless, ideal for family frames. While a TechRadar influencer beamed, class-leading AF and battery life make it a beginner's bestie that grows with you. Image quality shines. Users echo the enchantment. One newbie noted on Reddit, upgraded from phone. IAF feels like sorcery on pets, and the kit's lightweight zoom nailed backyard birds, sharp as primes. Another traveler toasted, vlogged horizons to hawks seamlessly. 4K oversampling wows without weight. Why lug more? Rhetorical ripple. Doesn't that crisp capture of a candid glance make composition crave? Lightly humorous? It's cheeky how this pint-sized powerhouse pranks pricier rigs with its punchy portability. Brew the buzz. See why thousands cheer its tilt LCD liberty and Wi-Fi whispers. Which wonder, the real-time tracking, power zoom ease, or 180 flip screen? would focus your frenzy? Comment below, stir the spotlight. And if lens lag, doubters dawdle. Highlight the hybrid heart's haste that outpaces rivals, bolstering the UVP of versatile, value-victorious videography. If blurry barriers are bottlenecking your bliss, this may merrily mend your muse. Limited stock looms on the Sony Alpha, a6100 with 16 to 50 millimeters and 55 to 210 millimeters. This APS-C autofocus ace with 4K finesse and dual-lens dynamism is dwindling, delighting thousands who've dialed in their dreams, from experts etching its entry-level excellence to users uplifting the intuitive interface and endless energy. Don't dally. Dart to yours today and delight in the difference. Click now and unlock a secret feature that makes everything easier. If focus fumbles are fogging your fun, this flips the frame. Don't just view. Vault in and visualize your victory today.